The massage ball glute exercise helps relieve tension in your glutes, increase blood flow, and improve mobility. You can do this sitting on the floor, or to have more control over the pressure, you can try leaning against a wall. Here's how to do it correctly. Sit on the floor with your leg in front of you, knees bent and feet planted into the floor, or stand facing away from the wall. Place the massage ball under one glute muscle, positioning it near the upper part of your glute closer to your hip. Use your hands on the floor or against the wall to support your upper body and adjust your weight. You can place more pressure on the ball by crossing the leg of the working glute over the opposite knee to shift more weight onto the ball. Begin to slowly roll your body over the massage ball, moving up and down or side to side. Focus on any areas that feel particularly tight or sore. When you find a tender or tight spot, pause for 10 to 30 seconds, allowing the pressure to sink in and the muscle to release as you breathe deeply to stay relaxed. You can also complete a knee raise off the floor for a few reps, followed by abducting and adducting your knee in and out. After 30 to 60 seconds, switch to the other glute and repeat the process. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.